Do you remember your first automobile? The first car you had? The next place is one of those beautiful urban park kind of environments. This one's called Crab Park. Do you remember your first automobile? The first car you had? Maybe you're on that first car. For me, my first car was actually a pickup, a truck. Because while I was going to school, high school and before, I worked on farms, big farms. And so my first car was really a pickup, a 1968 Dodge pickup. I love that pickup. Everybody should have a pickup truck at least once in their life. Then my first car was a 1965 Mustang. It had a 3-speed on the floor. It had a 289 engine, as I recall, and I loved that car. After that, I've had all kinds of vehicles over the years and have enjoyed driving. There's one kind of car that some people have which would be in the category of luxury car. It's a Cadillac. And when we're thinking about visiting all 111 places in Vancouver, according to the book, there's one very special Cadillac that we're now going to go take a look at. You know, if you have a Cadillac, or in the future will have a Cadillac, I'm sure you're going to take real good care of that very expensive luxury car. I'm sure you are not going to do what somebody did with their Cadillac. I'll show you what I mean. Come on, let's go. If you had a Cadillac, do you think you would take your Cadillac and do what this guy did with his Cadillac? Well, if you do, it will probably get into the 111 places you do not want to miss in your city. Here's what this guy did with his Cadillac. You ready? Very cool, isn't it? A conversation piece. Well, now you know what somebody did with their Cadillac. And you know, over the years, the well-meaning people of the neighborhood have probably tried to get that Cadillac parked in his yard removed. You know, people tend to frown on things like parking your Cadillac in your yard. Becomes like a eyesore to some people. To me, it's like art. And I think if you'll look at the book, the wonderful authors Dave and Graham have discovered that by putting a rake and shovel, some garden tools inside that car, it became something of a garden shed that then gave them the right to have it there indefinitely. I think we have more places to see. So let's go see what's next on our agenda. The next place is one of those beautiful urban park kind of environments. This one's called Crab Park. Crab Park at Portside. And the crab is not because they have a history of eating a lot of crabs here, but this park acronym is for people that actually ended up saving this place to keep it as a treasure. Crab Park, as an urban park here downtown Vancouver, part of Gastown, has all this to view. The port with all the containers shipping through this gateway all over the world. North Vancouver, we've been over there and way out to Deep Cove. You can see the sea bus coming across the 15-minute ride from Lonsdale Quay into Waterfront Station over there. There's Waterfront, the sails where the cruise ships come in, the harbor tower. This is the park. A beautiful place to come and hang out, and if you've got a tent, you may just want to camp here as a place where you might want to live because of the shortage of homes. Another tent city here in downtown Vancouver. I think the acronym, as I recall from the book, has something to do with creating an available beach close to downtown. And here you can see the beautiful little beach. Hey, we got dogs. Yeah, it's kind of like a dog park. You got a lot of energy. What a beauty. Oh, he's not? May bite?
He looks like he is.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
I met a lovely woman this morning and got to spend some time with her. She's originally from Bangkok, Thailand. She's lived here in Canada for I think 5 years or so, came to study maybe psychology, and lots of energy, big smile, somebody who is living life. And you know what makes her really special? Her name is Dao. Hi Dow, I hope you're watching, and I want to thank you for the great moments of visiting together about your country. I've been there a few times, and Thailand's a wonderful place in Asia. But what makes Dow very, very special, apart from being willing to share time and talk about a whole range of things, is that her work right now is caring for somebody going through dementia, going through a very serious disease that often gets lumped together with forgotten people. And she, I can tell by talking to her, cares for somebody and is making the difference in somebody's life that might otherwise get forgotten. So the in-between videos, the in-between subject matter, is where a lot of the best part of life happens for me, and I think for you, off and on camera. The people we get to meet and interact with, where we help each other live life as fully as we possibly can. We choose to share our thoughts and convictions and our understanding of deeper things, as well as the superficial stuff that's often makes up much of life. We choose to live and laugh and love and search for and embrace every day as much of the truth as we can soak in, as we can handle. Yeah, it was a good moment in between, where a lot of the good moments are really found with people just like Dow. Okay? So, let's go. Let's go find another place in the book. 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. Okay? Hey.
Hey.
You're on my YouTube. Are you guys from Mexico?
Yeah.
¿Hablo español?
Sí.
Sí. Yo poquito. Are you visiting? Say hi. Jennifer.
Hi.
Hi, Jennifer. Yeah, take the mask off is much better.
Yeah, I'm trying to be careful, but yeah.
Maybe we can make thumbnail
Make some.
for this video. It's going to be you and me is the little.
Bye.